Hey everyone! Are you curious about the Potensic Atom drone? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm unboxing and taking this intriguing drone for a test flight. Stick around to see how it performs and if it lives up to the hype. I'm your host, and I'm excited to share my first impressions of the Potensic Atom drone. If you're into drones or just love tech gadgets, you'll want to watch this video till the end. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the unboxing experience. The package arrived quickly and was well packed. Inside, the first thing I found was the user manual. Then, there was a sleek drone shoulder bag. It's made of high-quality material, with sturdy zips and pockets, making it super easy to organize and carry all the drone equipment. Next, I got my hands on the remote control. It's compact and easy to assemble, which is always a plus. The drone itself came with a camera protection cover, ensuring it was well protected during transit. It features a 3D movement camera and comes with 3 batteries, so you're all set for extended flying sessions. Now, onto the exciting part, the test flight. The takeoff was smooth, thanks to the intuitive software onboarding guidance. The remote control setup was a breeze, and it connected to the aircraft without a hitch. I flew the drone to an altitude of about 120 meters, and the picture and video quality were quite satisfactory. However, not everything was perfect. I noticed there's no zoom function, which was a bit of a letdown. After a few minutes of flying, I encountered signal transmission issues, with constant red alerts about a weak signal. Despite repositioning the antennas and moving to a better area, I experienced a screen freeze and lost connection, triggering the return to home feature. The return to home and landing were smooth, but I was a bit disappointed with the signal issues. This is just my initial review, and I'll be doing more detailed tests soon. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you used the Potensic Atom drone? What are its pros and cons in your experience? If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews and drone adventures. Share this video with your fellow drone enthusiasts, and stay tuned for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.